Hello friends, welcome back to the latest update of Spotify Camp Nou, where the stadium is buzzing with incredible activity. No match tomorrow, so it's the perfect moment to witness how much this legendary stadium is transforming day by day. From massive beams to the first llamas being perfectly installed, the scale of this progress is truly jaw-dropping. Stick around, because we're taking you through every corner to see these amazing developments up close. Starting at the south goal, the platforms and lifts are moving smoothly. The crew is carefully working on the railing of the structure that will wrap around the stadium. The connection with the radial beams is looking solid, and you can already feel how much closer the stadium is to its final shape. On the left, the supports are in place, waiting for anchors. From this angle, we can't see everything above, but the steady progress is clear. Along the lateral side, the flanges we saw yesterday are now installed, connecting perfectly with the radial beams. Cranes and platforms are buzzing as workers align the massive pieces. It's incredible to see these giant components coming together, transforming the space day by day. Protective nets are also going up, showing how every detail is being taken care of. The stadium really is evolving right before our eyes. Over in the VIP section, new black panels are going up fast. The left side was already done, and now the right side is filling in beautifully. Each piece is carefully aligned, and you can feel the transformation happening. This section is shaping up quickly, and seeing it gradually covered with these panels is genuinely impressive. The stadium is taking form in such a stunning way. At Gol Norte, a massive flange is stealing the show. One worker is taking a break in its shade while it's being secured. Seeing these giant components in real life is jaw-dropping. The progress here is remarkable, and it's amazing to witness these pieces coming together piece by piece. Back at the corner, excavation continues in full swing. Trucks are moving huge amounts of earth, and the excavator is busy shaping the ground. It's amazing to see this scale of work, and even on a Saturday, the energy on site never stops. Every truckload and every shift of earth is another visible sign of how the stadium is being built. We'll head over to Gol Norte to check the latest developments. From massive beams to smaller structural details, every section is evolving fast. The site is alive, buzzing with progress, and it's truly exciting to see the stadium take shape day by day. Watching this transformation makes you realize just how much effort and precision goes into creating something so extraordinary. Yesterday, they started placing llamas, and now there's work on the beams with that white material. One worker cleans the dust, another applies the layer carefully. Every beam, every corner shows how daily efforts are adding up to the massive progress at Gol Norte. Over here, the team is working on the pistons and elevating platforms. Every piece installed is visible progress, and the structure is slowly taking shape. The area might look calm from a distance, but every beam and platform shows steady advancement. Up above, the diamond area is gradually clearing material, showing how work keeps moving forward. Some sections may seem quiet, but the progress is real. The prefabricated stands at Gol Sur are almost complete, with just a few finishing touches left. On the terrace side, the supports for the llamas are getting new pieces installed. These connections are huge, and seeing them in person is impressive. Day by day, these structures advance, and you can really feel the stadium coming together. And that wraps up today's visit. What an incredible day to witness the stadium's progress. Every beam, every llama, every support is proof of advancement. And the excitement of seeing it take shape day by day is unmatched. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future visits.